Here are 3 solutions inside of Unreal Engine that fix 99% of my normals. Hi friends, welcome to Unreal Arc Wizard. The topic of normals isn't new. Sure, you can open up Blender and fix anything, but what if I am too lazy to go outside of Unreal? Fix number 1. Open up the material, scroll all the way down, find material property overrides and switch on two-sided. This solution was mentioned on many videos on YouTube. The problem is it takes a hit on performance, that's why I use it very rarely. Fix number 2. aka let's actually fix the normals. Open up modeling mode, go to attributes, click on normals and click on invert normals. When you click accept, this will override the original static mesh in your content browser. This is a much better way as it has no impact on performance. But what if only some of the polygons are flipped, but not all of them? Inverting normals doesn't really fix the problem here. You can try your luck and see if Unreal will fix it for you. For this, click on fix inconsistent normals. In my case, Unreal actually recognized it and fixed it, but it doesn't always work, so let's see how we can fix it manually. Go to Mesh, open Try Select, and here we need to select the faces that we want to flip. Navigate to Selection and change the mode to Connected. I want to flip the normals on the pillows, so I select both of them, and under Mesh Edits, click on Flip. And then click Accept. If all connected doesn't work, then I will change to all within angle, increase the angle tolerance, for example, to 45, and then select manually. It's kind of a pain to draw on flipped normals, so I'll usually flip everything, then go back to Try Select and work my way up to select all of those polys. Just because I could have missed 1 or 2 polygons, I usually click on Grow, and that helps sometimes. To deselect, hold Shift and keep drawing. Now we can go back to Mesh Edits and flip the normals. Back to Attributes and flip it back. If you're not sure if you did a good job hand drawing on the mesh, create a polygroup, go to Model, Polygroup Edit, select it, move it a little bit to see if it worked. In my case it looks fine, so I'll go back and flip it. Those were the 3 methods that helped me fix 99% of my normals. Oh, what's that? It's pretty cool, have a look. If I make one change in the initial setup, I have to click render once and all of those variations are rendered with the new interior. The video is in the cooks right now, subscribe not to miss it out. I wanted to say thank you for the overwhelming support you have given me. My goal for the whole year was to reach 1000 subscribers and you guys made me jump from 20 subscribers to 500 in a week. This is insane. So again, thank you so much. See you in the next one.